Is KineMaster the best mobile video editing app? I say yes. KineMaster is one of the most powerful video editing app available and one of the best. Some say CapCut, some say Adobe Rush, some say InShot, some even say Filmora Go, but I say KineMaster is the best. Stay with me to the end of the video to see the untold truth and the secret about KineMaster. Okay, the first thing I'll be talking about is that KineMaster has an already made template for usage. Okay, as you can see, it's loading here. So this is how the KineMaster template looks like. So as you can see, these are templates in which I can actually download and edit marketing, corporate, education, real estate, celebration, festival, social media vlogs, views, and memes. So this is how the KineMaster template looks like. Number 2 is that KineMaster updates their app regularly, which help them to hear from the audience and get their app updated due to the audience review. Number 3 is that KineMaster actually helps you to import a video file sent by anybody, be it your boss, be it your colleague, or anybody. This is how it works. New project, then import. The moment we click on the import, it will be taking us to our file. So here we are. So I have a file here, a video file here, so I'm really clicking on it. So this is how it works. So it's going to be importing the project, then downloading the. Okay, if you have any question concerning this video, or you want to ask a question concerning KineMaster or video editing, you can kindly ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys.